The integral of x squared times x cubed plus 7 to the power of 9. Well, this is going to be my substitution. It's the thing inside the brackets to the power of 9, and I really don't want to try and expand this power of 9. Possible, but I'd prefer not to. And the derivative of this is going to be 3x squared, which differs from this by only a constant. So that'll work well. U is x cubed plus 7, so du dx is 3x squared. Now I'm going to show you two different ways of writing this. The technically correct way, and then the other way that works and is perfectly acceptable. So I'm going to try and write this with du dx times dx. So it's the integral of this bit was u. So it's u to the power of 9. Now I have x squared. What I want is du dx, which is 3x squared. 3x squared dx. But I turned x squared into 3x squared, so I have to divide by this 3. I've got 1/3 of that. So I'm going to move this 1/3 outside the integral because it's a constant. I'm left with u to the power of 9. This is du dx. dx. Now this, by the chain rule, is 1/3 of the integral of u to the 9 du. And now I can integrate very easily. 1/3 of u to the 9 is u to the 10 on 10 plus a constant. Well, let me simplify this now. That's something on 30, and what is u? It was this. So it's x cubed plus 7 to the power of 10 over 30 plus constant. Now I said I would show you an alternative way of writing this. So when I have this, what I want is to substitute dx for du, or vice versa. I don't know how you're supposed to say that. I'm going to change dx into a du. So can I write it like this? I want something to be equal to dx. Let's cross multiply. Well, dx, I've got x squared dx. So I'm going to go x squared dx is 1/3 du. Can you see what I did? I said I've got x squared dx. Can I rearrange this to say x squared dx by cross multiplying? Then I've got du over here and I've got to divide by 3. So then you could come back to here. Let me go straight from here again. Where will I write this so you can see it as something different? The integral of x squared, x cubed plus 7 to the power of 9 dx is going to be the integral of u to the 9 and x squared dx, let me write it that way, x squared dx is going to become the integral of u to the 9 times 1/3 du. And then you see you're back to here. You can put this back in here and go, put the 1/3 out the front, and you'll have exactly this line. So this is another way to write it if you get stuck trying to rearrange this equation to match.